Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick update on the Mellow Yellow Monogram model kit. Building in dedication or in honor of Doug Hensley. There's a lot of people out there that's doing the group build for him. He's a great guy. He supports all of us, so let's support him. So I picked this kit. It was one that I painted when I was a teenager, probably back in the 90s or whatever, however old I was then. Sat in a box. Then I put the decals on, probably about 10 more years after that. Put it back in the box. Then I clear coated it, put it back in the box. Well, now it's getting done. So I got a good amount of it done. You can see the motor in that. And the windows did fall out. Whatever glue I used last time, it did fall out. Yeah, I was really hoping I could see in there. Let's see. I'm going to take the body off, but I wanted to kind of see. You really can't see it, but I put some seat belts in there. Now, let's get that body off. That way you can actually see the detail. But before I do that, there's the under chassis view. I did some wash. Got the exhaust pipes. I'm going to do a little bit more on that. Kind of got it like a gunmetal right now with the wash that I did. When I glued the rear tires on, I end up popping some of the suspension pieces. They're glue bond, so I have to re-glue those. So here it is without the body on there. There's the fuel cell system. There's the seat belts. I just used some pieces of flat styrene on it, but it's just that ribbon. I had it glued back there. I was going to put a little piece back there. Still got to do a little bit of work under the hood. I did wire it, even though you don't see the wire, spark plug wires on these because they do have that cover. But there's the coil wire. I have to make a coil and put it on the firewall. Shocks and everything. Alternator. Still got to glue that on there. I got to do electronics still. They go on one of these bars in here. I don't have the gauges decals, so I hand painted those. Let's see. I gave it a little dial and needle and all that, so it's in there. Another look at the bottom. See a little bit. There's some pieces loose in there. I did the lettering on the tires. I tried to do like right rear and right front. Some of that's rubbing off, which is fine, because this one I have a little bit of a track look to it because it ain't perfect. So to finish it, I got to do the coil. I got to do the electronics inside. I think I'm going to do some wires, so I got to drill holes in it and do some wires. I got to glue the windows back in. I'm thinking about rubbing and buffing it, but I'm not 100% sure. I might overdo it if I try to do that to give it a perfect shine. Then I got to glue the wing back on. I had to paint it. I glued it on chrome. I don't know what the hell I was thinking about that. But I would need to paint it flat black and glue it on there. And I gotta paint the grill. Other than that, next time you guys see it, it's gonna be done. So If you don't watch Doug Hensley out there, please check him out. The link to his YouTube channel is down below. If you never heard of him or anything like that, which I would find shocking, check him out. You will enjoy his channel. And until next time, hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you then.